One. Five. Five. Wow, so much stuff! Choose a game! S is for strawberry. Strawberry. S. Strawberry. S is for strawberry. Brown ice cream. White egg. Orange pumpkin. Orange pumpkin. Yellow lemon. Yellow lemon. Brown ice cream. Brown ice cream. White egg. White egg. The funnies want to play with you. So can you guess who's hiding in the picture? Scroll the picture to the right and to the left to select the right parts. Corn. Correct. Tomato. Hooray! You did it! Onion. Well done. Great! You found all the bunnies! You're amazing! What will we play now? Counting from 1 to 5. Feed the little one. The apron will show you how many treats they want to eat. 2 marshmallow. 2 marshmallow. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. 5. 5 potato. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. 1. 1 strawberry. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. Thank you. All of them are well fed and happy. U is for ugly fruit. U. 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 White daikon. White daikon. Red strawberry. Purple cabbage. Red strawberry. Red strawberry. Blue blueberry. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage. Blueberry. Blueberry. Blue blueberry. The funnies want to play with you. So can you guess who's hiding in the picture? Scroll the picture to the right and to the left to select the right parts.